Starting and running a Shopify store can be exciting, but let's be honest, it can also be overwhelming. From emailing customers, processing orders, fulfilling shipments, and tagging orders, the daily to-do list never seems to end. To be successful as a Shopify entrepreneur, you don't need to do everything manually. You need to start Shopify automation. In 2025, one of the most sought after and highest top-rated automation apps that help save time, reduce errors, and scale faster is Order Automator. I'll show you why Shopify automation is a game changer, how Order Automator handles tagging, notifications, and fulfillment, and even break down pricing and advanced tricks to scale up your business. I used to spend an hour or even more every day on repetitive Shopify tasks. After switching to Order Automator, those tasks practically disappeared. So stick around to learn how to set up workflows, handle Shopify automation, and protect your Shopify store with Fraud Guard. So you ask yourself, why automate Shopify tasks? 1. Manual fulfillment, slow shipping. Customers expect speed. 2. Repetitive tasks like tagging and sending emails eat into marketing time. 3. Integrating Shopify with Amazon FBA can be stressful and confusing. 4. As your Shopify store scales, managing everything manually becomes impossible. The solution is Shopify Fulfillment Automation, and the best tool to make this happen is Order Automator. So, what is Order Automator? Order Automator is the best Shopify automation app designed to save you time and money. It runs in the background to handle repetitive order management tasks. So whether you are dropshipping, using Amazon FBA, or running a hybrid model, this app works like a full-time virtual assistant built right into your Shopify dashboard. So it sends customer email notifications, autofills Shopify orders and sync with Amazon FBA, tag orders and customers automatically for segmentation. So here are some of the features that make Order Automator apps the best Shopify automation apps in 2025. 1. Set rules to auto-fulfill Shopify orders instantly. Work with dropshipping suppliers and Amazon FBA. Sends automatic tracking orders and customers information. Process old and fulfill orders and allows remote monitoring. Perfect for stores handling 100+ orders per day. No more manual clicks. It has a custom email notification. So it sends personalized emails to customers. Notify your team when VIP orders arrive. Automatically sends special messages and discount codes to your repeat customers. Order Automator also integrates with Amazon, and this is what it does. Number 1, it seamlessly syncs orders from Shopify to Amazon FBA. 2, it auto-sends orders from Shopify to Amazon FBA for fulfillment. Number 3, it supports multiple marketplaces with the Unlimited Plus plan. The Order Automator app also has a fraud guard protection. This feature instantly flags and cancels high-risk orders, prevents chargebacks and losses, e.g. it auto-cancels suspicious orders before they ship out. The Order Automator also has a smart order and customer tagging feature. This allows it to auto-tag by product, shipping method, price, or country. It also segments customers for email marketing, e.g. VIP, wholesale, etc. It also flags high-value or fragile orders for special handling. Lastly, the Order Automator app also has fulfillment flexibility. This helps it to auto-fulfill some orders while holding others. 2. Change fulfillment location based on vendor or product. Split fulfillment across multiple warehouses instantly. So, let me show you how to install Order Automator in your Shopify step by step. There's a link that takes you directly to the landing page on Shopify App Store. Check the description below. This is the official Order Automator app logo. So you scroll down and click on install. It will direct you to your Shopify store. Then you click on install, which will take you to the Order Automator app dashboard. It looks like this. Let us first set our first tag rule. Okay, there's a simple summary given here for you to read to understand what you are expected to do in each section. For example, the creating tag rules. Order Automator compares your enable rules with orders, and if the rule conditions match the Shopify data, the tag is added to the order. So let us first create our first tag. So these are two tags that I already created. One, I said that if shipping country is not equal to United States, set this order to international shipping, which means if the customer is not shipping this product they've bought to United States, any other shipping that is not United States is international ship. If I was charging free shipping to United States, this order automatically tags under free shipping. And if I was charging for shipping for international delivery, this product automatically get charged for shipping fee. This only applies if the order is new, they are new customer. And I can also send notification to a specific vendor or staff in my Shopify store based on these tags. So you come under notification, it gives you option to add the recipient email and the default email setting. Here you can add a few things if you want, or just leave it the way it is. And this notification will be sent to specific person you've selected each time you get an order that matches the condition and the triggers plus the action. With a tag rule, you create conditions. You can have multiple conditions under one tag. Now, let us create our first tag rule. I'm going to replicate what I already created above here. Remember, you can play around with the product tags, order tags, shipping tag, customer tag, and also here you have very many options: address tag, city, country, region, state, address validation, method, price, etc. I want to replicate what I already did here. So I'm going to say if shipping country is not equal, okay, so I come here and say country is not equal to United States. You simply write United States or any other country that you want. Then you scroll down. If the above rule is not equal to United States, then add this tag under international. Okay, then we click activate tag rule. Then the new rule has been created. Because we have two similar rules, we can only use one. You can deactivate this and use this, or by default it will only pick the recently created one. But in many cases the rules here don't match. This is how to use your auto tag rule or notification. You can create as many tags as possible. You can play with the products. If the product vendor is equal to A, that is if you have more than one product vendors, then tag that product vendor under specific product vendor name. Let's say my name Samuel, then you add tag rule. So whenever there's a product that matches the condition set under the condition rules, the specific vendor will be tagged by default. So this product is equal to the supplier or the vendor, who is me. Then I'll say send Samuel this email whenever there is an order that matches the set rules that we've configured before. So we say send this email to Samuel whenever there's a order that matches this condition. Then you say save notification. This vendor Samuel will be notified so that they can start the order fulfillment. The next section under the Order Automator app is the auto fulfill. Here's where to control how your fulfillment works. You can tell Order Automator to do specific tasks based on what the order has been tagged in. So for instance, you will tell Order Automator to request fulfillment from third party if that specific order follows specific condition and triggers that you already set. You can tell it to fulfill item, change the location, which is the fulfillment method, or all the fulfillment, or release the fulfillment all. If you're selling digital products or doing dropshipping business, all the apps that you are using will pop up down here when you select assign location. So it will use the location that you prefer. Now let us set our first auto fulfillment rule. So for instance, if you have more than 10 vendors in your Shopify store, in my case I have like 5, you want each vendor to be notified whenever there's a specific order that links to them, or you want them to do specific action. So you simply come here and say if product vendor is equal to, let's say, vendor B, then do the following action: request for fulfillment or fulfill item. So if you're using a third party supplier or vendor, you simply say fulfill item. Then you come here. If your vendor is on Printify, Printful, Deezers, Sell the Trend, they will pop up here. Then you simply click on it, then say activate. For this instance, we'll simply activate. So here is the rule we've just created. So whenever there will be an order that matches the specific condition that we set. The specific action will be taken and the specific vendor will be notified. Let's head over to the monitor section in your Order Automator app. The monitoring section works in a very simple way. This feature helps you monitor order status and events, for example, to keep track of stale orders that haven't been fulfilled. Let's say you just install Order Automator today and there are previous orders in your Shopify store. So in this section, you will tell Order Automator to do specific action for orders that are older. So you'll come here and select your order monitor rule. It's either you can choose fulfillment status, order refund, order tag. Then you say if order is 3 days old and not fulfilled, you can select either get notify or tag the order. What are the options that are available? Ignore archived orders, ignore orders with tag, check orders with tag. So when you set these monitoring rules, it will help you to know the orders that are being refunded, to know the orders that have not been fulfilled. Anytime you get a refund or chargeback, you simply tag that specific order with a refund tag, so it gets monitored for easy identification and management of your Shopify store. So the monitor section in Order Automator is essential for anyone who wants a 360 Shopify automation. You've heard me mention the fraud guard. This section really helps with high risk orders in your Shopify store. For example, if you are using Order Automator, in this case, they are using Shopify fraud analysis and take action on orders based on your setting. So if Shopify has classified an order as a high risk, the Order Automator simply picks it up and do specific action based on the settings that you'll have under this section. You can enter the email that you want this notification to be sent to. You can choose whether to get notified when a risk order is placed or get notified when a medium risk order is placed, and choose specific action either to cancel the order when it is high risk, when it is either medium risk, or notify a customer when a risky order is cancelled. So go through this section and configure the setting based on your preferences. The batch processing gives you option to process bulk orders. Let's say you've installed your Order Automator today, but previously there were some orders that were pending. How do you do it? You come here under the batch processing and select orders based on tags, customer rules, the auto fulfillment rules, the fraud guard rules, and if you have order ID, you also put it here. You select a date range and check order process or process specific orders. This gives you option of doing everything in bulk and carrying out automatic tasks before you install the Order Automator. So go check it out, explore this section, is very vital. Now that you've learned how to install the app, ensure you do the following before you launch your Shopify store. 1. Always test workflows with draft orders first. 2. Use unique tags to avoid conflicts. 3. Review automations monthly as your catalog evolves. Shopify success isn't just about working hard, it's about working smart. And Order Automator helps you with exactly that. You can save hours weekly with auto fulfillment feature, send professional customer notifications, integrate your Shopify with Amazon FBA seamlessly, protect your store with fraud guard protection. Now start your 7-day free trial of Order Automation app and see why it's the highest rated Shopify automation app in 2025. There's a link below this video in the description or first comment. Click on it, will take you straight to Order Automator app. Try it out. If this video helped you, like, comment and share, and don't forget to subscribe. And in case you have any question in regards to Shopify automation, kindly leave your thoughts in the comment section below. See you in the next video. Bye.